La thong yaw nong bishar berim jong Madhya Pradesh High Court Justice bat ubala shong thaj umul chan gar kum chairman jong kenhun expert committee bala Thaw da Sorkar Meghalaya na benta ban Peit Bniah ya kam ki bayade bat reservation policy ka jilla. Ya kerteng jong gar bat sawut ki wei pat ki dekhot jong ni kenhun la yo ya ka jingmenjur na kenhun menteri bala kli da menteri rang ba ka jilla ukong rat ke sangma hinen ka sngi. Habapin Bniah kini hadin ke jingyalang jong kenhun menteri i menteri ke Sorkar jilla ikong amperin lengdo ila pentip bakan ne ke komiti kan kenthup ya unong bishar berim jong ka Allahabad High Court Justice ubala shong thaj Dr. Satish Chandra ki laingot ki wei pat ki dekhot jong ka expert committee ki long Professor D.V. Kumar na Nehu Shillong Professor Chandar Shekhar na Indian Institute of Population Science Mumbai, but Professor Subhadip Mukherjee Assistant Professor jong ka Economics and Public Policy ka IIM Shillong.
Members will include Justice Retired Dr. Satish Chandra as an expert member in Constitutional Law, Professor D.V. Kumar for expert member in Sociology from Nehu, Professor Chandra Shekhar for expert member in Population Studies from the Department of Fertility and Social Demography, Indian Institute of Population Sciences, Mumbai. And the fifth member shall be Professor Subhadip Mukherjee, an expert from Economics, IIM Shillong.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya hinin gesngi kala ay